Hello! Today we're going to do some algebra, some math. And we're going to find the equation of a line that passes through 2 points with that math. Now, given the 2 points, the first thing we're going to have to find is the slope. And we can do so with our slope form, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. You may have seen this 100 times. Plugging in our x and y values, we have 5 minus 4 over negative 2 minus 3. Alright? Doing some addition, that equals 1 over negative 5, or like I like to say, negative 1/5. Alright, that's our slope. We found our slope. It's negative 1/5. Now we can use the information given to plug in our point slope formula, which the generic form is written y minus y1 equals m times the quantity of x minus x1. Don't forget this. You'll see this 100,000 times. This is the key formula in finding this equation. You will have to memorize it. So memorize it. And plugging in the values we've got so far, we can do y minus 4. Alright, don't forget 4 is our y1 that we had earlier. Don't confuse these, keep these the same. And that equals negative 1/5, which is our slope we found earlier. That is times x minus our x1, which is 3. And reiterating again, that 3 is our x1. We found that earlier. Keep those the same. Alright. I'm just going to multiply these through a little bit to get y minus 4 equals negative 1/5 x plus, don't forget the plus because it's a negative times a negative when you FOIL there, 3/5. Now, isolating that y, getting that y by himself over there is what we want to do to find the equation of this line. We're going to have to add 4 to each side, or I just made 4 into 20 over 5 just to keep these common denominators the same. It's up to you. It's a little easier for me in my head. And doing that, we'll get y equals negative 1/5 x plus 3/5 plus 20/5. See? There it is. And simplifying this even further, I'll have y equals negative 1/5 x plus 23/5. Yep. And that's it. I believe that's it. I think we found the equation of the line. Let's see here. Ding! Yep, that's the equation of the line. As so written. Good job, everybody. Let me just point one more thing out to you. This constant over here that's not connected to y or x, well, that's going to be what's called our y-intercept. I-N-T-E-R-S-E-P-T. Good job, speller. Now, what that means is that is the value at which this line crosses the y-axis. The y-axis is that one that goes up and down. It's vertical. Let me draw this graph here. Let's put some points on there. I'll prove it to you. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative 2/5. Plug that in. Da, 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 da. There's our 3/4 right there. Alright, that's our 2 given points, and we'll just draw this line here that connects them. And look at that. You see where that line crosses that y-axis? Right in between that 4 and 5, somewhere around, I don't know, 23/5. That's right. That's our y-intercept. That's our other piece of the puzzle. So, now we found the line of an equation with 2 given points and put it in y-intercept form. Good job. Y'all did very well today. It looks like that's the end of the video. Oh, bye-bye.